Hello everyone. Welcome to the solution of LeetCode problem 989 named add to array from to integer. In this problem, basically we are given an array which is a integers and we are given another integer which is k. Now we have to add both of the integers. So here the problem statement is, at first try to understand the first example. The array contains 4 elements, which is 1, 2, 0, 0. That means it represents the integer 1200. And we have to add it 34 with it. So the final result will be 1234. And we have to return 1234 in the form of array. Now, similarly, for this example too, the array contains 3 elements, which is 2, 7, and 4. And the value of k is 181. So 274 plus 181 is equal to 455. So we have to return 455 in the form of array. I hope you understood the problem statement. Now let's see how can you solve this problem. Okay, now we are given one array. Suppose we are given 1200 in the form of array. So it is 1200. Now we have the element k, suppose it is 34. So we have to convert it into the array. So it will become 3 and 4. That means 3 and 4. Now let's see, suppose for the better understanding of the algorithm, let's make it 9, which is 1209, and it is 1209. Okay. Now we have to perform the addition operation. So here, at first, we have to add these two variable, which is 9 plus 4, which is 13. Now, the 3 will be placed here. So how we did find 3? It will be 13 mod 10, which is 3. Now, 1 will be in the carry. So how did we find 1? It will be 13 divided by 10, which is 1. So far, so good. Now, our carry is 1, and this value is 0. So 1 plus 0 will be 1 plus 3, which is 4. So we have to add 4. So here, the carry will be 0. Similarly, 2 plus 0, it will be 2. And 1 plus 0, it will be 1. That means it is 1 to 4 and 3. Now, we have to convert this 1 to 4 and 3 into an integer array. 1, 2, 4, 3, and return it. Or you can say that while completing the iterations, at first we find the element 3. So we have to add element 3 into a list. Then we find element 4. Then we have to add 4. Similarly, then we have to add 2 and 1. Now, if we reverse this, it will become 1, 2, 4, and 3 in the form of array. So this is the basic algorithm. This is the simple class of 1-2 mathematics. And I hope you understood the problem statement as well as the examples. Now let's move on to the code. Now, in this problem, the code is pretty simple. At first, we are given a function named add to array form, which is a vector and integer as a parameter. Now, we are taking two variables, VC and answer. Now, while we have to convert this k into the array form, so at first we have to perform the remainder operation with k with 10 and add this into the VC and divide k by 10. Finally, we have to reverse it. Now, using this, we have to perform the addition operation. We are taking 2 pointers I and j. Both is pointing to the last element of both of the vector. Now, initially, we are initializing sum with carry. Now, we are adding the corresponding I element and j element with the sum. Now, we are calculating the carry. Carry will be the sum divided by 10. And answer dot pushback is equal to sum %10. Now, here, if any of the carry remaining, that means we have to add this extra carry to the answer. Finally, we have to reverse the answer and return it. I hope you understood the code. Thank you everyone for watching this video. We will get back soon with another LeetCode solution.